Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Chase Sapphire cardholder with points piling up, you're in for a treat. Today, we're breaking down how to redeem those points for gift cards in a simple, step-by-step way. Whether you're looking to treat yourself or grab some extra cash for shopping, this method is straightforward and rewarding. First things first, let's quickly cover what Chase Sapphire points are. These are rewards you earn from your everyday spending on Chase Sapphire credit cards, like the preferred or reserved versions. They can be redeemed for travel, experiences, or, our focus today, gift cards, which often provide solid value and flexibility. To get started, open up your Chase account. You can do this through the Chase website or their mobile app, whichever you prefer. Once logged in, navigate to the Rewards section. It's usually right at the top of your dashboard, making it super easy to find. In the Rewards area, you'll see a menu of options. Click on Redeem Points to see your choices. Scroll down until you spot the Gift Cards category. Chase partners with tons of popular brands, like Amazon, Starbucks, or even Home Depot, so take a moment to browse what's available. Each gift card will display the number of points required. Keep in mind that the redemption rate is typically 1 cent per point, so a $50 gift card might cost you 5,000 points. Select the one you want, double-check the details, and hit Redeem. You'll be prompted to confirm your selection. Make sure to review for any potential fees or terms. One quick tip. Before you redeem, compare values. Gift cards are convenient, but sometimes using points for travel could offer more bang for your buck. Once confirmed, your gift card code or physical card will be delivered via email or mail, usually within a few days. And there you have it. You're all set to turn your points into something tangible. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.